Here is a script that meets all the requirements. The msi EdgeXpert AI Mini is the ultimate game changer for anyone who's tired of waiting around for their AI projects to finish. Imagine being able to run complex machine learning models on your laptop or desktop without needing a cloud connection. It sounds like science fiction, but with this mini supercomputer, it's a reality. So what makes it so special? First off, let's talk about its insane AI performance. This thing is powered by the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell architecture, which delivers an astonishing 1,000 TOPS, that stands for top-level operations per second, of generative AI power. To put that into perspective, most laptops can barely handle a few hundred TOPS. This baby can tackle tasks like training large language models or generating high-quality images with ease. But it's not just about raw speed. The EdgeXpert AI Mini also has some serious multitasking chops thanks to its 20-core CPU design. With high-performance and efficiency cores working together in perfect harmony, you can have multiple projects running simultaneously without any lag or slowdowns. That means you can be writing code 1 minute and running AI model training the next. It's like having two computers in one. Now, let's talk about memory. We're talking 128 gigabytes of unified LPDDR5X high bandwidth memory here. That might sound like a lot, but trust me when I say that it's crucial for handling large datasets and complex AI models without bottlenecks. With this much RAM, you can work on projects that would normally be impossible to tackle with lower-end hardware. Think text-to-image synthesis, object detection, or even building entire neural networks from scratch. But memory is just the beginning. We also have ultra-fast 4 terabytes Gen5 SSD storage, which means loading times are basically non-existent. Whether you're working on a project that requires hours of data processing, or simply need to access your files quickly, this storage solution has got you covered. Plus, with self-encrypting capabilities, you can rest assured that your data is safe and secure. Connectivity is also a major plus with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 4 Type-C, and high-speed networking options like ConnectX 7. You can stay connected to the cloud or other devices without any lag or latency issues. That means whether you're working remotely, collaborating with colleagues, or simply need to transfer files between computers, this device has got your back. Finally, let's talk about OS. The EdgeXpert AI Mini comes pre-installed with NVIDIA DGX OS, based on Ubuntu Linux, which is specifically optimized for machine learning and AI development. That means you can dive straight into developing your own projects without any hassle or fuss, whether that's training models, building neural networks, or simply running existing code. So what does this mean for you? It means you can finally tackle those complex AI projects that have been holding you back, without needing a team of experts or access to expensive cloud resources. You can run multiple tasks simultaneously, work on large datasets, and generate high-quality results without breaking the bank. Want to experience it for yourself? Head to the link below to check out the msi EdgeXpert AI Mini. Trust me when I say that it's worth every penny.